All right, y'all. So this is my parking area in the building on-site location where I was working prior to COVID hitting the nation. So we would park out here in this parking lot and also on the other side of the building. Lots of ample amount of parking space for everyone to be able to park. And then we'll walk right up into this building. We are on the first level, and across from us was the CBO revenue cycle department. So it is a building space now that we no longer used. I took my son with me to help me get things out of the building and out of my office. So here we go. It's pretty quiet, not a lot of traffic, few people still on site, but here is our area there. I'm going to blur this out, but this is the CBO area. Down the hall is where we would walk around, use the bathroom. They did build a gym not too far from our office space. They have renovated this building. It looks really gorgeous, so I do miss the on-site feel. We did have an area where you can buy donuts and you can get coffee. And then this is me going into the department. Here is the new gym that they put in. I'm like, guys, you guys put this in as soon as we were leaving. And our assistant would sit right in this location, and she would introduce people coming in. You can swipe your badge here for those who need to swipe in, clock out. Quiet hallway. Everything kind of is turned off here, and we do have storage rooms here that I'm walking by and different areas where you could put electronic equipment. And this is a whole empty space where the nurses and our area would stay, or our department, actually, the HIM, EMPI Data Integrity. We would write some notes on here, things like motivational notes, post things that are upcoming. And this was a lunchroom. Guys, I miss being on site in so many ways. I love working from home, but miss being on site. We had a beautiful space. And this area here was the nursing area. You could see the cubicles over here. And then further down to the other side would be where my team actually stayed. And that is all our space right here for my auditors and my analysts. And then we did have across the wall where the VPs and other people like HIM manager, coding manager, all the senior managers, VPs sat in these offices. Everything is empty. So a lot of the furnitures got taken out. A lot of the equipment have been transitioned to other building space, but we had great views in this office. So I do miss being on site. So this is where another administrative assistant will sit for our VP. And then I did have the rest of my team over here. We did have a few empty cubes that people would come in and use if they have to, the printers, things like that. But the majority of the space was my area. This is where the VP stayed. Pretty nice office, nice view. And then further down behind in this location would be our workflow analysts. They would be the ones who would sit in this area here. And then the office was one of our workflow reps. She develops a lot of the workflows. And this was my office, y'all. So I loved this office. I had a nice office, huge window view. Quite messy because I still have things I have to come and remove. Of course, all my little papers and tools when I did some training sessions, printers, disconnected phones, scanners, etc. But look at this window view, guys. I think it's lovely. So I'm going to be cleaning out this space. I haven't been in here in almost 2 years, y'all. So yes, I need to come in, gather a lot of stuff, and be out. I'm going to miss this view. Really, really lovely view. So I'm going to go through these folders, go through the binders, look at what I need. And I did take the van with me, so I'm going to be taking that printer to see if there's a way to relocate it and just go through a lot of my things to make sure what needs to be tossed out and what I will be taking back home. And that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. Y'all might see some stuff and be like, wow, they've been here since 2020, early 2020, when COVID hit. So I have shoes, I have so many different things. Look at that. That is sunflower seeds. And I have coffee pods, little things here and there that I would keep every now and then. I have gloves, oil, because yes, I like to keep my things covered and closed in the refrigerator. I have a whole stack of business cards that I don't need anymore because everything is virtually done online. I would take some of my pain meds and other things and just kind of put them in tubes and container so I don't have to take every single thing from home. Just make them really easy for me to use. So I am going to show you guys something I just saw. This is something my son created for me years ago. I just took it with me. It's kind of like a cookie mix that they made, and you could just mix it and make some sort of oatmeal cookie. And I just kept this forever and ever. And when we were rushed out the building to start heading home, I left a few things intending to come back, but we've been so busy. So as you can see, I have lots of different junk and things that could have been used elsewhere, but we left our building as is, took some things, and I didn't make it back here to get things as need be. Guys, look at this old honey. I always made my tea, my coffee. You can see my tea container with all the tea bags. I always carried things that I needed, so I'm not spending so much money on site. It's a lot of money for just a pack of tea, so I would just grab what I need. And a lot of people used to come to me for all these different things. I had my supplies and different things that I can use around to make me comfortable. So all these things are going to be tossed. I really lived a comfortable life here in my office. This is a huge printer that's going to be relocated to one of the other buildings. A lot of my file folders, I did take those because those are my employees' information. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. Now I'm going to have to do a part 2 to this video. I'll see you on the next one.